Do you want to get free tokens on Bolt without paying for a subscription? Here's how. Open an incognito window, go to Bolt, and also open a temporary email site. Copy the email, create a new Bolt account with any username and password, then confirm it. Once you log in and answer a few quick questions, you'll instantly get 1 million tokens for free. If you need more, go to Get Free Tokens, copy your referral link, and sign up again in another incognito window with a new temporary email. Each new account gives you another 1 million tokens. When your tokens run out, just deploy your project, set it to secret, copy the link, and open it on the new account. This way you can keep building without limits. And that's it, a simple method to get unlimited tokens on Bolt. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.